phones or laptops on mute so we can record this without any interruption, we would greatly appreciate it. Phones or laptops so we can record this without any interruption, we would greatly appreciate it. Disconnect from YouTube on that end, just minimize it or close it out. So we can record it without. There we go. I made it do that. All right, now we're ready. Okay, everybody's excited, so it looks like we're ready to go. And good afternoon, everyone. This is in the matter of case number 20014-374-PZ. In the matter of the application of Tanika Rashay Griggs for admission to the Bar of Michigan. My name is Judge Karen Braxton, and it is my absolute honor to be here to be able to swear in. See, I'm getting emotional already. I told her not to be able to swear in Ms. Griggs. We met a couple of years ago.
In 1.3 miles, turn left onto
Griggs came to my office and we talked about the bar and what she wanted to do and just wanted some advice. And even in that moment when I had an opportunity to speak with her, I knew one, she was going to pass the bar. And number two, she was going to be amazing once she was admitted into the State Bar of Michigan. So for me, it is my honor and my pleasure to be able to share in this experience with you. I'm grateful for you for asking me to do this, and I look forward to the practice of law with you in the state of Michigan.
Thank you.
At this time, we are going to have remarks from Ms. Charity Dean.
Good afternoon. So I am so overjoyed to be here with you today. Tanika, you deserve all that God has for you. Having you on our team is a breath of fresh air. Your hard work and discipline will take you far. I want you to know that lawyers are at the core of everything in our democratic society, from elections to civil rights, healthcare, and education. But at the core of this profession is the pursuit of justice and equity. And I have seen your commitment to those issues in your day-to-day work. I have no doubt that you will be very committed to these in your future. And so, Tanika, my prayer for you is that you seek, like St. Thomas More did, to be able in argument, accurate in analysis, strict in study, candid with clients, honest with adversaries, that the Lord will stand beside you in practice so that you might not, in order to win a point, lose your soul. You have only amazing things ahead of you. Welcome to the bar, and it gives me great pleasure to introduce the man who made the motion for me when I was admitted, the mayor of this great city, Mayor Mike Duggan.
All right. Tanika, why don't you slide to the middle and you can be center stage. Your Honor, may it please the court, Mike Duggan, appearing for Tanika Griggs. Ms. Griggs has worked for the city of Detroit for the last year and was so successful that she was promoted this summer to the compliance manager, which means when we let contracts into the city of Detroit, we put in requirements that those companies hire Detroiters. Somebody has to make sure they do it so Detroiters get to work. When we give out tax breaks, we have contracts that require those companies to do housing and other things for the community. Somebody has to go make sure those companies deliver for this city. And Ms. Griggs is now the compliance manager. She's the person responsible for that, which means she gets up every day and makes sure life is better for Detroiters. And with her recent accomplishment, she will be able to serve the city even better. And so with that, I would move the admission of Tanika Griggs to the State Bar of Michigan.
Thank you, Mayor. And Mr. Mayor, it is my honor to accept and to grant that motion at this time. For admission of Ms. Tanika Rashay Griggs into the State Bar of Michigan, Upon presentation of her certificate of the State Board of Law Examiners recommending the admission of Tanika Richey Griggs as an attorney in this state, and on motions by Mr. Mayor Michael E. Duggan, attorneys in good standing in this state, it is hereby ordered, and I'm happy to say it today, that Ms. Tanika Richey Griggs be and is hereby admitted to practice as an attorney and counselor at law and solicitor and counselor in chancery in the courts of this state. Congratulations to you, but before we celebrate, we have to take the ever so important oath, and then it becomes official. It's really long, everybody, so we have to grab our copy. But this is the important part. Ms. Griggs, please raise your right hand. I do solemnly swear or affirm
I do solemnly swear or affirm
I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of Michigan.
I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of Michigan.
I will maintain the respect due to courts of justice and judicial officers.
I will maintain the respect due to courts of justice and judicial officers.
I will not counsel or maintain any suit or proceeding which shall appear to me to be unjust, nor any defense except such as I believe to be honestly debatable under the law of the land.
I will not counsel or maintain any suit or proceeding which shall appear to me to be unjust, nor any defense except such as I believe to be honestly debatable under the law of the land.
You can slow down. This is the good part. I will employ for the purpose of maintaining the causes confided to me such means only as are consistent with truth and honor, and will never seek to mislead the judge or jury by any artifice or false statement of fact or law.
I will employ for the purpose of maintaining the causes confided to me such means only as or consistent with the truth and honor, and will never seek to mislead the jury or jury by any artifice or false statement of law, fact or law.
I will maintain the confidence and preserve inviolate the secrets of my client, and will accept no compensation in connection with my client's business except with my client's and approval.
I will maintain the confidence and preserve inviolate the secrets of my client, and will accept no compensation in connection with my client's business except with my client's knowledge and approval.
I will abstain from all offensive personality and advance no fact prejudicial to the honor or reputation of a party or witness unless required by the justice of the cause with which I am charged.
I will abstain from all offensive personality and advance no fact prejudicial to the honor or reputation of a party or witness unless required by the justice of which the cause with which I am charged.
I will never reject from any consideration personal to myself the cause of the defenseless or oppressed, or delay any cause for lucre or malice.
I will never reject from any consideration personal to myself the cause of the defenselessness or oppressed, or delay any cause for lucre or malice.
I will in all other respects conduct myself personally and professionally in conformity with the high standards of conduct imposed on members of the bar as conditions for the privilege to practice law in this state.
I will in all other respects conduct myself personally and professionally in conformity with the high standards of conduct imposed on members of the bar as conditions for the privilege to practice the law in this state.
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, again, it is my honor and my pleasure to present to you Attorney Tanika Griggs.
All right.
So at this time, Ms. Griggs does want to, I'm sorry, Mr. Mayor, is there anything that you would like to say?
I just wanted to hear from our new attorney.
Well, she gave me an order, but Mr. Mayor, I will follow whatever.
No.
Okay.
This is your court.
Okay, well, Ms. Griggs has asked to hear from any family or friends that would like to address her at this time. We would ask that you be respectful and limit your comments to 2 minutes. We have, it looks like about 17 participants, so that's still gonna take up a lot of time. So please keep your comments to 2 minutes. If you know how, can you please use your raise hand functionality on the Zoom virtual space, and we will have someone unmute you. I see hands going up left and right. We'll have somebody unmute you, and then once I see a video pinned. That's the person I'll call on to make remarks to Attorney Griggs. So, and I apologize in advance if I mispronounce anyone's name. We have Elise Collier.
Hi, can you hear me? I just want to say to my cousin Tanika that this is a new beginning for our family. You are the first attorney in our family. We have prayed for you to reach this milestone in your life. We're so very proud of you. We thank God for giving you everything that you needed to get the desires of your heart. And so with that, I just want you to know that eyes have not seen, ears have not heard all that God has planned for you. We love you. Your family is proud of you. And we're looking forward to celebrating you as you become Judge Tanika Griggs. In the name of Jesus, amen.
Thank you, amen.
All right, thank you. We now have Miss Denise.
Turn left.
Hi, Tanika. This is Denise. I just wanted to say that I'm so very proud of you. You fought through every single thing, everything that was up against you, you overcame. And I'm sorry, that's my GPS. You overcame every single thing, and God is constantly blessing you. And I'm so proud of you. I just cannot wait to see the things that God has planned for you in the future, and you knock down some other goals.
Thank you, Denise.
Thank you, Miss Denise. I don't see anyone else, so if I overlooked you, my sincere oh, I'm sorry, we have one more. We have Miss Terry Sloan, it looks like.
We can't hear you.
Hold on
yet.
1 second, Miss Sloan. We have to get you off of mute, and then we'll be ready to hear your comments.
Hello?
Yeah, we're ready to hear you.
You can hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so I just want to say I am so excited and so proud for Tanika. I'm emotional because I love her and she is such a wonderful person. I know this has been a dream of hers and it just does my heart proud to see her reach her goal. I'm just overjoyed. So I just wanted to know, congratulations. And with God's grace and mercy, you are going to go very far. Just know that I love you.
Love you too. Thank you.
All righty.
Don't leave yet, because I saw Mr. JB put a comment in the chat saying he wants to make a comment, but I couldn't see the rest of the message. Oh, it was in the chat at the very bottom. So if you go to the bottom of the screen, where you hit record at, go over to the left, some see where it says number 4, or chat. And, okay, so Mr. JB, I don't see you just yet. I think the judge is gonna help with a little bit of technology real fast. So if you go to the. Yeah, not ready, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Hello.
All right, you're up, Mr.
Hey,
J.
y'all. Thank you, Judge, for being attentive to my chat. I appreciate it. So sorry, I'm on Zoom calls left and right, and so I'm not on camera, but Tanika, I'm very, very, very proud of you. I'm literally like jumping around here. Just so happy for you. So congratulations, of course, and I'm definitely changing your contact name in my phone now from lawyer girl to attorney. So very proud of you and can't wait to celebrate you safely.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right, so I think that's everybody. We're really excited to celebrate with Tanika this afternoon. But I think we all want to hear from the lady of the hour at this. Oh, somebody else? I'm sorry. Oh, Ms. Coleman says she is still waiting, and my apologies to you, Ms. Coleman. bear with us as we work with Zoom. They got real fancy for us in the mayor's office. So I'm just trying to play along. So my apologies to you, Ms. Coleman. Ms.
It's
Stephanie,
okay.
you are up.
It's okay. I'm sorry. I just wanted to let my niece know how proud of her that I am, and how I saw her growth and her journey, and it. Oh my goodness, I'm just so lost for words right now. I'm just so happy for her because she never gave up. She kept pushing and pushing until she kicked that door in, and now she's in. And I can't say how happy and proud that I am for my niece.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank
And
you.
thank you, Ms. Coleman. Apologies again. So I know that we are extremely grateful that I'm sorry. I'm just gonna step back again. Your show, come on in.
No, we need you in the camera.
I just wanted to say that before being a manager at the Department of Civil Rights, Inclusion, and Opportunity for the city of Detroit, and after being a child of God, Tamika is a mother. And she has done so with grace and poise. Our director, Charity, she always challenges us to be our best and to move forward and to move forward in excellence. And Tamika does so while also operating as a mother in excellence. She, the first thing that she did miraculously well was take on a team. She had never led a team before, and she has done that significantly well. And so I believe that she's going to continue to serve residents of the city of Detroit and in Michigan with that same passion that she does when she leads her team and takes care of her children. So congratulations and keep going.
Thank you.
All right. Now I'm gonna interject just a little bit here. I do want to take this opportunity to thank the mayor of the great city of Detroit for allowing us this opportunity to come into his office space. We are still socially distancing, but I think that was an extremely kind gesture. So on behalf of Ms. Briggs, we do want to say thank you for allowing us this opportunity. I do see other hands that are raised, and I respect that, but please allow me if Ms. Briggs will say it's okay, I know that Mr. Mayor would like to hear from Ms. Briggs, and I know that he's busy doing something, just like running the city of Detroit. And so we want him to be able to get back to doing what he needs to do, but he does want to hear from Ms. Briggs. So if you have your hand up, I do see you, I do respect that, and I know Ms. Briggs wants to hear from you, but I think at this time, if she will allow me, I will veer off of the program just a little bit, so we can again present her to you as Attorney Griggs, and she is going to give her comments, at which point in time we will allow Mr. Mayor, if he has anything else to say, to address Ms. Griggs, and then we will continue with the comments from all of the family and friends. Thank you very much.
Hi, everybody. Thank you all for joining. So I just kind of want to start off by saying thank you all for being with me on this journey. I'm trying not to cry. Thank you for being with me on this journey. Everyone here in this room and everyone on Zoom, you guys have supported me through this journey. And I remember just sitting here, just visualizing what today would look like years ago when I graduated college. And just to be here in the midst of my prayers and my manifestations, it's simply God, dedication, hard work, perseverance, and patience. It's bigger than me. My goal is to be a voice for the voiceless, to be a representative for the underrepresented, and just to continue to knock down these doors that we were never intended to walk through. And I just believe that we have a generation of youth behind us who deserve better opportunities. And my goal here today as a new attorney is to continue to support and encourage a fair and equitable justice system, specifically starting within my city and the Detroiters. And I look forward to serving the city in a bigger capacity.
And Mr. Mayor, I know you have plenty to do, but again, we appreciate you for taking out the time to make the motion on behalf of Ms. Griggs. So you have.
I just want to say congratulations again to Tamika, and Judge, thank you to you after a full week to be holding a court session on a Friday afternoon. It's a great gesture on your part. Thank you for the great work that you do.
Thank you, Mayor, I really appreciate it.
And I'll let you go back to your admirers.
All right, so bear with us again. We're still navigating Zoom. I have seen Jatira Davis. Her hand has been up for a while. The other thing we would like to do for anyone that is viewing this live on YouTube is that Ms. Griggs would like to invite you in to the Zoom space if you would like to make comments too. Now, again, we still want to keep our comments to 2 minutes because they're going to close the building. And we want to have the amazing tech team that's helping us today be able to break everything down and leave timely. If you are watching via YouTube, if you go to Zoom, the login or the meeting ID is Judge Karen Braxton. The login ID is Judge Karen Braxton. And then you will be admitted into the Zoom space. And I think, Ms. Davis, you've been patient and you're ready, so you are.
Thank you, Judge. Tanika, I just want to say congratulations. Not only are you my older sister, but you are my best friend. I've watched you cry tears of sorrow when things did not go as planned, and I've also been by your side as you've cried tears of joy because you've achieved something that you've been working hard for so long. So I'm so grateful to be here by your side on Zoom. I'm grateful to be here to witness you achieve everything that you've wanted to do. I'm so proud of you, and I can't wait to see all the great work that you will do in the future. So I love you. Congratulations again.
Thank you, I love you too.
And it looks like that's it, unless somebody wants to correct me. That's everybody? Okay. Well, we have a special guest up here now that wants to be on camera with us, and one of them is a little bit too shy. She's joined by her 2 young men today to help her celebrate. Ladies and gentlemen, we are grateful that for the time that you have spent with us on today's date celebrating this big moment for Ms. Griggs. It may seem like a small ceremony because we are socially distancing, and it's sad that we cannot all be together to do this, but I can tell by everyone's faces, there he is. I can tell by everybody's faces that you're celebrating on the inside, even though we have everybody on mute at this time. We are going to adjourn the hearing on today's date, but we will keep the Zoom call open. Please respectfully, if you would like to come off of mute once I stop the recording, feel free to do so and interact with Ms. Griggs. And we'll do that for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to have to get out of here to respect the time of the IT team that has been absolutely amazing. So at this time, once again, Attorney Griggs, congratulations. And